Alright, g'day guys. Just doing a little bit of dessert now. Let's get bananas. We've sacrificed a bunny who came early for Easter. So you just slit the banana, slip it down in there, push a heap of chocolate in it. Once you've got all that in, wrap it around. Oh, it's left out, doesn't matter. And just throw it in the fire for a bit. Give it maybe a turn or so, or just sit it underneath. Probably what we do. You can turn it if you want. I normally just sit it upright. Heat gets up through the bottom, and the time the chocolate melts, the banana's nice and hot. And just peel it all open and eat. Pretty simple little dessert to have, a little treat. And especially when you're out camping and travelling light, it's nice and easy. Good on you, eh? Hooroo. Alright guys, so just pop them in your campfire or whatever you got going. And that'll do. You just sit them in there for a minute or so, and a couple if you want. And we'll pull them out and we'll show what they look like. Alright guys, we'll pull them out. There's one, we'll get the other one out. Alright, hold on. Oh, stalks aren't hot yet, so that's good. They're just getting hot. Let's have a look at them. Alright, let's see what we got here. You can do them as long as you want. These will be just warm. If you want to cover them with coals and all that, you can get it. So these are just on melting, but when they're for kids and that, you don't want too hot. Actually, that's not really done. Let's do it a bit longer. Pause. Righto guys, we've got them back out. Let's see how we went here. Oh, there you go, that'd be good. Now just keep in mind when you're doing them too for kids, they get really hot. The banana and stuff, so you know, only cook them as long as you want to cook them. Now you can just eat them out of there, but make it a bit easy for the young bloke here. We'll plop it in a bowl for him. In the bowl. It'll probably come out a bit of a mess, that's alright. There you go. That's not a bad little treat where you're out camping. The nice hot melted chocolate and a banana. And I like to use, these probably aren't as ripe as I'd like. Use really ripe bananas if you got them, and get that full banana flavour. It just depends how you like bananas, I guess. But there you go. Anyway, quick, easy dessert, and takes no time at all to whip up. And yeah, nice little treat where you're on the road or at home, as many people are at the moment. Good on you, eh? Hooroo.